If you're struggling to receive money, you may have a money wound. If you're finding it difficult to receive money, create money, if you find it difficult to manage money, if you find it difficult to achieve your financial goals, or you're afraid of losing your money, difficulty accepting or receiving money, difficulty saving or investing your money, difficulty feeling comfortable with money or success, or you don't feel worthy of financial success, then you may have a money wound. What's a money wound? A money wound is a deep subconscious psychological and emotional issue that will prevent you from achieving your financial goals. This manifests as negative beliefs, fears, and patterns of behavior related to money and wealth. These money wounds can be caused by different experiences from the past. For example, childhood experiences. If you, for example, struggled financially as a child, maybe your parents struggled financially, or there was financial abuse in your home. Another reason is trauma. Experiences such as divorce or losing a job, bankruptcy, these can be traumatic and can prevent you from achieving your financial goals. The next one is past experiences. Experiencing things like debt or being taken advantage of, or making a bad investment, making a mistake investing, and lack of financial education can also lead to money wounds. And lastly is cultural influences. So these could be the beliefs that your family has, or your community, or just society in general about money, wealth, and success. All of these can contribute to your relationship with money. Let me know if you'd like to know how to heal this.